What's that smell?
It's coming from the CNC coolant tanks. Coolant odor is primarily caused by bacterial growth in the coolant sump, which can produce gases like hydrogen sulfide. It's not just unpleasant, but can also indicate that the coolant's effectiveness is diminishing.
We found these Coolant Odor Control Tablets. They promise not to just mask the odor, but to neutralize it. How do these tablets actually work, though?
These tablets are formulated with compounds that target and neutralize the bacteria producing the foul odors without harming the coolant's performance.
Oh, I see.
Unlike traditional biocides, which can be harsh and contain harmful chemicals like formaldehyde, these tablets use safer alternatives.
Safety is a big thing in everything we do, so using a product that's non-toxic and compatible with most coolants is a huge benefit. How effective are these tablets in real-world applications?
They're quite effective. The key is the tablet's ability to disperse its active ingredients throughout the coolant system, providing consistent odor control.
Oh, really?
One tablet can treat up to 25 gallons of coolant for about 2 weeks, making it a practical and economical choice for shops like ours.
Economical and efficient. I like that. But how easy are these to use? In a busy shop, we need solutions that don't slow us down.
They're designed with ease of use in mind. Simply drop a tablet into the coolant tank and it goes to work. There's no complicated mixing or measuring, plus each tube contains 15 tablets, so you're stocked for a while.
Well, that's incredibly convenient. And with no harmful chemicals, it sounds like it's a win-win for both operators and the environment.
Exactly. It's about creating a healthier, more efficient workspace. By controlling coolant odors, we're not just improving the air quality, but also extending the life of the coolant itself, which are both cost-effective and environmentally friendly.